YouTube, this is DaretobeCreative, and I am here with a project share for the collab that we do every third Saturday of the month. This is the third Saturday, second Saturday of the month. With Poetspice, we post at 10 a.m. and you will see all the collaborators in the link below, so please check them out. Awesome creators. Like and subscribe to their channel. And what we're doing this year is we are doing a stuffing collab where we have to make boxes, bags, and purses that we can stuff with something. So we have themes. We don't have to stick to the themes, but we do have themes each month. And so for the month of February, the theme was candles and wine. Don't drink wine, and so I didn't have anything with that, but candles, I do have tons of candles, but I didn't use candles actually this time. But I went on and made some diamonds. So I used this Spellbinders You're a Gem, which of course I got from Tuesday morning. And actually the number, in case you want it, is SR027. If you can see that. This is a big die, so you need to have a large one because this is 8.5 by 9. Actually, it's 8.5 by, I think, 10. So I actually got this when I was out of town, and I did a haul on it when I got it a while back last year from Tuesday morning, and I got it 25% off with another 20. It was 40% off. I'm sorry, with another 25% off. So I think it was $29 or $19.99. I can't remember what it was, but I paid like, I got $7 or whatever it was. I didn't pay much for it. I think I paid $7.99, and I think it was $24.99. I think it's, or $29.99. I don't know. Like, I know it wasn't less than 20, but anyway, I know I got over half off. And of course, this was when I used it, I did realize that somebody used it and turned it back in, because I can tell from indentations in here, but it still cuts perfectly like butter. And when I cut it out, like, it had a little bit of some green paper was in there. But you know, people do stuff like that. But anyway, I like it. It cut butter, and I cut it with a lot of different textures. Of course, these dies can cut out multiple layers of paper at one time: chipboard, mat board, fabric, vellum, metallic glitter, all types of paper. So that's the neat thing about these types of dies. They are really good dies to cut with. And in this one, you don't need a platform, you just need the 2 B plates. So it will not fit in the machine like you cut a book. So I cut it out, and then I just used some glue, and I did one in clear so you can kind of see what it can hold in it. So this one was just done out of regular 65-pound cardstock, and for whatever reason this one is the only one that doesn't, it's not sticking too well. I don't know if it's the glue, the way I taped it or what, but it's not sticking too well. I use punches, a ton of punches on the top. The XOXO is Viscous Teresa Collins. The diamond is a EK Success. Then this one is on Michael's Recollection, that brass, not brass, this is that rose gold with the craft on the other side, excuse me. And this die, Faith, is a Tonic Studio die, both layers. And then this, the heart in the background, is a Fiskars punch. So again, both of these are Fiskar punches as well, the XO and the heart. And this is a shimmery white paper, which I love, and I got for such an awesome price from Ollie's for like $1.98 for like I think it was 200 sheets, yeah, 250 or something like that. Yeah, from Ollie's, yeah, the wedding paper. That's and I got this pad too, which you probably can't see too much difference because of the lighting. But this is white, and this is a soft gray. So this one, I used the diamond again, and I used this little envelope punch that was gifted to me in a rack by Cree, Sister Lady Cree up here on the YT Fun Creations. Thank you, sis, if you're watching. So I used a punch right there, and I just put that piece of paper in there with it, and that diamond. And then the black, this is a Renee and Coco I keep saying Renee Coco because no one Coco is on my mind. Oh my goodness, Coco and Reno. Sorry. When I was one of their guest designers, they had gifted me that. So I used that die right there. It says, I love you. And I did it in a couple layers. I was going to make it into a shaker and then got lazy. But of course you can always do that. You can make this into a shaker. That would have been so cute. I took that flex today. Oh my gosh. And I just wanted to chill. And it was so good. And have a 4-day weekend. Woo! So it was hard to do anything today. And I was like, I just needed that time to just unwind. My staff will just call me, blowing me up all day, and I was like, I can't. I promised myself when I'm off work, I am going to be off work. Anyway, so it was good to just do nothing but craft. So again, and this Love is a Tonic Studio die as well, and that Heart Punch is EK Success. And I apologize for the lighting. And then this gold one is this gold paper is also by Michaels as well. Oh, and this black one is actually 110 pound weight. And this was the 65 pound weight. And so the silver one is also the same as this one, Recollections. They're both the craft one that came out this holiday season. And then this gold is Michael's Gold Metallic as well. And this Hello is EK Success. And again with that punch, there's Fiskars. And then I did this in the clear acetate just so you can kind of see some of the things that you could put in it. So my grandson came home with some candy from school. I was going to the Dollar Tree to get some put in there. So, oh my, you go have some. So anyway, I wanted to show you that you can stuff it, that you can put stuff in here. And my H is coming up. I didn't glue that down good. But anyway, you can you know, actually a votive would have fit in here as well as tea lights, but a votive would have definitely sat in here. And I was going to do that, but I figured I would get some of his candy to get away from him because he had plenty. So I just wanted to set it in there, show you what you can do with it. And to cut this acetate perfectly fine, and it also scores. So there's just 8 different ones, and of course you can be much more descriptive. I actually made some banners, but I ended up not using them. But you can put all kinds of stuff on top of these, so don't be limited. But you can have a lot of different choices, and this is just a few that I came up with. I just grabbed some stuff that was close to me, just to give you some ideas. Like I said, I don't know what's wrong with this red one. The glue is not holding for some reason. I don't know if the glue is old on that one. That tape. I use tape. I don't know why it's not working. But they are my little diamonds. You know, any chance I can make diamonds, I love diamonds. So anyway, check out the ladies below. And again, check us out again next month. Check out our playlist for what we did last month and for the rest of the month. This is a year-long collab. So you will be inspired to make boxes, bags, and purses. All of them. And they all have to fit something inside of it. Whether it's cards, candles, candies, any kind of gifts, that, you know, hand sanitizer, whatever it is that you want to be able to give somebody. So these can make nice swap gifts that you can give somebody, and they can you can send them flat, and it's so easy to put these together, and they can decorate them and put goodies in them and gift them to someone. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God.